In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change all fonts at once in Figma. If you've ever inherited a messy design file or you're updating a project to a new brand typeface, changing fonts one layer at a time is slow and error-prone. The fastest way is to update everything in one go, and that's exactly what we'll do here using Figma's plugin workflow. Start by opening Figma and the specific file or page you want to edit. Make sure you're in the right page in the left sidebar so you only affect the content you intend to update. It helps to zoom out a bit so you have a sense of the entire canvas and any frames or components that might contain text. Next, select all the elements you want to affect. The quickest way is to use the Select All shortcut for your operating system, which grabs everything on the current page. You can also drag a marquee across your canvas if you only want a portion. The goal is to include every text layer you want to update, inside frames, groups, and components, so the plugin can find and change them in one pass. If you have locked layers you don't want changed, unlock only what you need or isolate your selection first. With your selection ready, go to the top menu and open Plugins. This is where you access tools that can work across many layers at once. Using a plugin ensures consistency and saves time, especially on large files with nested structures and instances. From the Plugins menu, choose Fonts Changer. This tool scans the selection and prepares the text layers for a bulk update. If you're working on a shared team file, give it a moment. Larger selections may take a few seconds to process. You should see options to pick a font family and, in many cases, a style or weight to apply across the selected text. Now, select the font you want and apply it. Choose the proper family and style that match your design system. If your design uses multiple weights, start with the primary body or heading font, then repeat for other weights if needed. Keep an eye on fallback behavior. If a font isn't available on your system or your organization, Figma may substitute it. After applying, scan your canvas to confirm that headings, paragraphs, and components have updated as expected. Pay special attention to instances and text styles to ensure everything aligns with your type scale and spacing. That's it. Your fonts are updated across the selection in one sweep. Remember to save your file, review spacing since different fonts have different metrics, and commit changes when you're satisfied.